Welcome to our map technical videos. In this video, we'll be reviewing email notifications, how to view the details of, approve, or deny directly from your email. In this example, you can see who this email is to, who it was sent by, so this is either the person who created the articulation or the person who took the last action. Down below, you have an approve and deny button, the course of the articulation, the credit recommendation, view details. If the person who sent it to you left a message, you'll see this message here. And down below, you'll want to take note on this red text here. So if you're receiving this articulation to review, to take action on, sometimes you may want to forward this to another recipient and just know that they will have access to take action on your behalf. This may be extra helpful for faculty chairs who maybe want a different faculty to take a look at this articulation and take action on their behalf. When it comes to taking action on this articulation, you can use any of these buttons, and I especially like doing it through the View Details link. When you look into the details a little bit deeper, you'll once again see the course and the credit recommendation up at the top. Then you'll see the stage, so right here we're in the faculty stage, and depending on your college's workflow, it may look a little bit different than this. But this is our standard map workflow. Bottom left, you'll see the course information, and then as you go to the right, you have more information about the exhibit and the articulation itself. So for this example, there are multiple exhibits with the credit recommendation 3 hours criminal procedures to articulate with. If the initiator left any notes, you'll see those here, and as you go through taking actions on this articulation, if you leave notes, you'll see those here, and if the articulation officer leaves notes, they will populate as well. If you decide to approve this articulation, just go ahead and select that approve button. A pop-up will come up asking you to send a message to the recipient. You'll see who the recipient is on the left, so this one will be going to the articulation officer. You can add any notes that are specific to this articulation and add your signature below. If you'd like to upload any relevant documents, you can do that here, and you can once again review what you're approving down below. When you're ready, select Submit, and this will trigger the next email notification to go off to the next person in line, and in this case, that'd be the articulation officer. You'll notice here that once you approve, the approve and deny buttons disappear, and you can see in the stage matrix that it is now in the AO stage. You can follow the same steps if you needed to deny this articulation for any reason, and you can give your reasonings there that will be sent over to the initiator. The email sent to the articulation officer will look exactly the same as the one for faculty. The only difference is that faculty will need to have that discipline assigned to them in the MAP platform, whereas the articulation officer will get any articulation coming through after being approved by faculty. With faculty or articulation officer action, whether that's approving or denying an articulation, the initiator will also get an email notification letting them know that there's been an update to their MAP platform. They can then view these same details and see what stage the articulation is in. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out using the help chat in the bottom right-hand corner. We'll be happy to assist.